Bell Textron's really got a legacy of providing premier customer support and services. When they bring their aircraft to a Bell facility, they have an expectation that the solutions are going to be exactly what they need for their aircraft. Bell Textron Australia is made up of people that understand that.
We are continuing to expand our capabilities and our closeness to our customers so that we can provide them seamless service, whether they need a major structural repair, a component repair and overhaul, maintenance repair and overhaul, or a modification to their aircraft.
We try to make it a one-stop shop. Everything from basic maintenance up to full refurb maintenance, fitting everything from your Garmin, instrument panel, paint shop, avionics, composite repair, NDT, everything in between.
We make sure that we have the right parts at the right time in the right place, provide them means to continue to upgrade the aircraft or move into a new one as fits their needs over that period of time.
One thing that really sets us apart is the fact that we have 13 different facilities around the world and making sure that we have solutions that are closer to our customers. With the team here in Australia and Redcliffe and Coffs Harbour, we have that experience and that expertise to be able to offer the customers exactly what they require when they come to a Bell facility.
Our products are robust and reliable, and the service and support we provide make sure that when they need to operate, they can operate. That's been a key to the Bell brand throughout its over 80-year history.